If you're watching this video, it's because you're awesome, and you're about to learn something that makes you even more awesome. Welcome back to Saneauto, my hashtag insane friends. We're happy to see you here. If this is your first time here, I'm Victor Sane, Master Technician. This video is going to be about nailing smaller pieces of wood without splitting them. So, you may be working on a project, as I am, and you're dealing with some smaller pieces of wood, but every time you try to nail them, they just split into pieces because they're too small. Now, I just happen to be building slats for some 11.5 foot shelves. They were 13.5 foot shelves. I cut them down so they fit in here in this pole barn that's been converted into a garage. And if you're pushing heavy stuff side to side, I don't want the slats to be able to slide along with the heavy stuff and slide right off the shelf. I want them to catch like that. So put these small pieces of wood on the 2x4. Now you maybe have a totally different reason for working with some small pieces of wood. But here's basically how it goes. You pre-drill a couple of holes, your handy cordless drill, which I happen to be using the black+decker lithium ion 20 volt. These are a steal. These are just awesome. I have been using this one for a good 2.5 years. As a matter of fact, I did 3,000 square foot of roofing with that. Screwed on all that metal roofing with a charge and a half on the small battery. It's amazing. There's a link to my favorite cordless drill in the description. So back to the point at hand, we pre-drill a couple of holes. And another tip that you're going to learn here is, what do you do when your nails are a little bit too long? Well, let me show you. Take the drill bit, and instead of going nice and straight down in there, you go at an angle. And you drill at an angle. Now to do this, all you need is some scrap pieces of wood, some coffee of course, cordless drill, a drill bit, some nails, and a hammer. Another reason you might want to do this is if you've got wood that is weathered and dry. Because weathered and dry wood splits very easily. And even with a metal bit that doesn't shed the wood very well, you can still do this. And optional to use wood glue, totally optional. It sure doesn't hurt. Unless you're working on a project that you think you might be taking apart at a later date, then don't use the wood glue, because it will be harder to take apart later. No coffee was wasted or spilled during the making of this video. There she is, and neither one of them are sticking out the other side. The wood is not split. Perfect, ready to go. Just to repeat the process on all these and we'll have our shelves together. I hope this helps you. Until the next video, get off the couch and get dirty. Y'all have a great day now. Thank you for watching the whole video. Remember folks, if you don't like being burnt, bruised, and bleeding, the only safe way to do your repairs is just pay somebody else to do it. Welcome to Saneauto. We're so glad you're here. We don't just do repairs and tool reviews.
Bienvenida a Saneauto. Nosotros no solamente hacemos reparaciones de autos.
We also film hot rods and mod rods, project cars, classic cars, antiques.
Nosotros también filmea autos antiguos, mod rods, hot rods, cualquiera.
We also like to take you with us to the car shows and the cruise-ins. So make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything.
Me gustaría llevarte con nosotros a los cruisings y car shows. Entonces, empuja ese botón y toca de campaña para que no pierda nada.
Thank you for watching our videos. Many of the events, shows, and people that we feature support much needed charities.
Bastante de eventos que nosotros filmea soporta caridad.
Please take a child or a friend to one of these events and make sure that they're aware of all the good works that the great people of the car community do.
Por favor, lleva un niño o un amigo a los eventos para que sepa de buenos trabajos que hacen los coordinadores de evento. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.